Hello and welcome to my video blog Henry Wonders. I'm on this crazy amazing Greek island, and here on the island people buy vegetables in a very interesting way. And going in the forest I saw this interesting tree house and I climbed into it. We will see later in the video how it looks from the inside. Something very interesting here on the island. Car who's passing by the camping in the village, and he sells like fruits and vegetables. Let's see what he got today.
How much is? Sure. 250 kilo. Okay. Όχι, άλλα. Η κυρία με τα γυαλιά είναι τομεάκης. Να παίρνεις άδεια άλλη φορά όταν παίρνεις το μέσο.
Το δούλεμα κουτσούλα.
Συγγνώμη.
Και τα δυο εθνικά τα πεπονιά.
Συγγνώμη. Έχω αγούρι.
Όχι, δεν έχω αγόρι.
Okay, ευχαριστώ. So my favorite vegetable, aguri, cucumber. He doesn't have, so I won't buy today. First of all, you can see like the small, they are so cute. They are like flies of the water. They are like surfers. They're like actually walking on the water. Here you can see the small one. They're like, wee! And of course the beauty continues. Here you can see the small waterfall, and it's very quiet here, like almost no people at all. Look how clear the water are. Like, except for this reflection, you couldn't tell that there are any water. You can see the surface with the rocks. The small dragonflies, which they have like a very funny name in Greek. They are called, check it out, levilula. At least levilula. Oh look, so many. Levilula, come to me. Come to me, beautiful. They don't like me. Maybe they do. Please come to me, Levilula. I'm trying to make a video. Almost. Maybe next time. Come on, Levilula. Finally. Oh, Leviluli. Leviluli. Okay, she liked me, but for a short while only. Okay, I can understand. Like, I can get tiring, yeah? Okay. What's really nice about this one, Gregorakis, is that it's very narrow. Wait, I'll show it to you in the... Like, you can see in the zoom out. Oh, girl down there. Anyway. So you see, it's like, you can see all of the canyon is very narrow. Like, from side to side, maybe 20 meters. Some parts are like very narrow, like 2 meters even only. So it creates like a very special and very wild environment. Sweep! And the crazy trees, of course, everywhere. Sweep! Froggy, finally, but you can, she's almost like impossible to see because she's very well camouflaged on the rock. Carpaduli! Froggy! Quack quack! I'm climbing! on my way to the tree house. The house tree that is on the tree house. Wow. I must say that's like super cool. Like, and there is this kind of a living room, I guess. Maybe a kitchen. Yeah, a kitchen. There is like the stove. And like solaric lights. The small river. The beautiful river. And let's try and go up. How will I go up here? Okay, so like check, like the floor is covered with this plant. I saw people use it for many things. Maybe I should try it as well. And okay, it's just like a chill out, hangout place. So cool. And this is another cool thing. So the water is coming quite cold. They come directly from high in the mountain, like from the tube that goes all the way up there. And I'm guessing it's the same person who made the tree house, who organized this, and that stuff belongs to him. But the water comes out really cold, so they use it as a fridge, a natural fridge. Here you can see like a pot, and there you can see like some dairy product. And the water from the tube are like amazing. The taste is so good. Katsiki! Look at those goats, wild goats, just, I don't know, hanging here, like, meh. What are you doing, goats? I'm coming to say hello. Actually, I'm coming because I think I need to go from somewhere. Goats, what are you doing? What you make? Goats, what are you doing? Look at you. So peaceful. I feel I should whisper. Shit, wait for me, car, wait for me. So after climbing, I was hungry. I'm always climbing and I'm always hungry. And I got a bifteki, which is kind of a big meatball with tzatziki on the side. And my favorite, gyros with chicken, which is basically a pita with tomato, tzatziki, onion, the chicken, and french fries. And it's like really delicious. I think the Greek pita is amazing. This restaurant is really cute. It's more like a fast food place. Check it out. This food is called gyros because in Greek, gyros means to turn. It could be made out of pork, chicken, or internal organ, and then it is called koukaretsi. It is a very common Greek street food. This restaurant is called Stua. The food is really good and they are always really nice. If you ever come to the island, I highly recommend you to go. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you on the next one. Bye.